In this tutorial I will show you how to find drafts on Instagram. You can follow these steps. Open the Instagram app on your device. First I am going to create a draft post. Go to your profile page. Tap on the plus icon at the top right of the screen to create a new post. Choose the photo or video you want to post from your device's gallery. Tap Next. Apply filters, edit, and add captions or tags as desired. Instead of tapping on Next, go back and select Save as a Draft. Instagram will save your unfinished post as a draft. To access your drafts, tap on the plus icon again to create a new post. You will see a Drafts section. Tap on it. You will now see a list of your saved drafts. Tap on any draft to continue editing or complete the posting process. Remember, drafts are saved locally on your device and are not synced across multiple devices. Additionally, if you delete a photo from your device's gallery that was saved as a draft, it will also be removed from your drafts on Instagram.